Hello. Yesterday, or actually for me it's today, for you it will be yesterday. There is a Galungan again, 6 months gone since last one. So all the Bali is celebrating Galungan.
Это закрыт!
Hello.
Костюм хотел взять.
Бардачок закрыт. Ну пойдем, откроем.
Класс, круто. Давай. Еще раз.
And we've been doing so many different diving, starting a technical diving and with a Bubblemaker, which I did today. Tomorrow we'll do again. The guy is super excited and I love diving with the kids. So this will be like a assortment of what we've been doing all the week, all the last, I think, yeah, all last week and a little bit of this week. There's been a lot of diving on a house reef, so that's why it's not that interesting, and that's why I didn't make any separate episode. There's been a little bit more rain than usually, but again, last 4 days no rain. Ogden looks pretty amazing at the moment with all the clouds. Still waiting for the rain season. It's almost the middle of November, but no rain yet. As I remember from previous years, it's pretty much the same. So nothing unusual, just a little bit more clouds. We still have a really sunny days, no problem at all. And today is also Galungan. Galungan, as you know, that's happening every 6 months. And today we're celebrating another Galungan. Another one, the previous one was in April, and you can check that episode if you want to know a little bit more about the Galungan and about the decorations and penjors and everything. Don't be too critical about that boy diving, because at the moment I don't have any children's size BCDs, and the only one I have is extra small, so that's why the tank was all the time on one side, but I was holding it, trying to keep it in the middle, and then it was okay. Отлично. At the moment are not bad, but there is a cold water coming up from the depth, and that's why the visibility drops down. A couple of days ago we did diving in Liberty Wreck. It was pretty bad, but it was like people were trying for the first time, and they were more focused on the buoyancy stuff and then that other things, and they didn't even recognize that there is bad visibility. They don't really understand at the moment what is good and what is bad. Anyways, water temperature at the moment is around 29-30 degrees, really comfortable. I'm diving in a shorts. All the thing I'm wearing is like only the top from the free diving wetsuit. It was last week when me and Leo we saw a mola at a drop-off. Leo saw when the mola was really close. He tried to catch me up because I was looking at the reef, and when he catched me it was too late to make a good video of it. But anyways, we got something. Second time this season we see mola, but we never seen it in Chandida, so probably we have to try again, because you cannot imagine what's going on. It's normal water and then accidentally cold water comes up, and a pretty big drop in the temperature. Thank you very much for watching. Follow, subscribe, and see you on the next video again. Bye.